can open this up and I can put whatever supplies I want in here, and I can see what's in the bag. So I've got an 8-inch crosshair square in there, and the template that I'm going to use, there's room for marking pens and other supplies that you may need. And then you're all set and ready to go. So we're going to start on one of these designs where you can actually see the line, right? So I can take this line up here, the edge here, and I can line it up with my reference line that I've made with 16 crosshairs. So, and we're just going to stitch all the way around. And I'm going to take a couple of back stitches. And now I'm going to go forward. Take the pin out. Oh, I didn't bring the pin cushion over here. And then back stitch a couple stitches and stop. Okay, so now we're just going to sew down here. All right, I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch away. So I stitch until it reaches that part on my toe, and then I back up about four to 6 stitches. And then I miter my corner. Here is the finished project bag.